Hello, Frau Ortiz. I just want to say thank you for your effort and patience sa pagtuturo sa amin since day one. Napakagaling niyo po magturo. The best. And napansin ko po na hindi po tayo aalis sa topic hanggat sa magets po naming lahat. And nag-enjoy po ako sa language class na ito. Ma'am, we will miss you. And kahit na po magkaroon po kami ng new teacher sa Monday, I know magiging unique ka and tumatak ka na po sa amin. May our God bless you and your family. Bye, ma'am.
Hello, Frau Ortiz. Gusto ko lang po magpasalamat for everything, for guiding us, and for being patient. And gusto ko lang din pong malaman mo na you inspired me to grow as a student and as a person. And we are grateful for your guidance and support na ipinakita mo sa amin at ipinapakita mo pa rin hanggang ngayon. It helps us na mas mag-push and mas ma-motivate. Hinelp niya din kami na ginaid niya kami to the right path. And I'm so grateful to have this opportunity to learn from you. Specifically you, Frau Ortiz, dahil hindi mo po kami talaga sinukuan. Sobrang patient mo. And so, thank you for believing in me and to my classmates. Thank you for helping us. And we will always be grateful for the time that we spent in your class. Super duper thank you, Frau Ortiz, for being patient and for helping us. Have a safe delivery, Frau Ortiz. May God bless your heart. Thank you.
Hello, Frau Ortiz. Thank you po sa lahat ng pagtitiyaga. Naturuan ako ng tama kahit na paulit-ulit po ako. I highly appreciate it. I will miss you and hindi ko po kayo makakalimutan. Ganon na din ang mga tinuro.
Hello, Frau Ortiz. I'd like to send my well wishes to you and congratulate you and your future family. We will be praying for your safe and healthy delivery. I personally would like to thank you for teaching and sharing your knowledge to us. We appreciate your effort, expertise, and of course your patience with us. Take care always and God bless you.
Hi, Frau Ortiz. Good afternoon, and I hope you have a safe delivery for your baby. And I just want to take this opportunity to tell you that you were one of the greatest teachers that I have encountered. And if there's any recommendation that we can do for you, is really that you are amazing, and we wanted to let other teachers know about it, if that's possible. But for me, I just wanted to tell you that you gave us that improvement, and you teach us from zero knowledge, and it was really a fruitful story for the past few days that I have encountered. You make us motivated. You really teach us from really making sure that we understand every lessons that we encounter, and you did not make us feel that we are not doing really well. And the way you teach us on our mistakes is you keep repeating it, which is really makes us so amazed the way you teach us, because your teaching skills is really different. And I hope that you can teach more people and to be part of their journey one day. And I hope that one day we can go back with you and say that thank you, because without you, we won't be able to achieve this journey going to the place that we wanted to be. Again, thank you so much, and I hope that, again, safe delivery for you.
Hello, Frau Ortiz. Wishing you a wonderful journey into motherhood. I know definitely you'll be an amazing mom. I'm so grateful that you were part of my first big step in pursuing my Germany dreams. Thank you isn't enough, but still, thank you. God bless you and your family. Bye.
Frau Ortiz, thank you for the short but meaningful time you taught us. We learned a lot from you and we truly appreciate that. And we are praying for your safe delivery and good luck on everything. Is it fair or fart, ma'am? Basta faran yun.
Hi, Frau Ortiz. I just want to say thank you and we appreciate you. Thank you for your patience, your kindness, and everything you have done. We will surely miss you and we wish you all the best.
Hi, Miss Frau. Gusto ko lang po sana magpasalamat sa lahat ng mga sacrifice mo sa pagtuturo sa amin. Lalo at madami kami. Gaya ko, may hirap makaintindi. Pero talagang ine-explain mo na mabuti sa amin. Ito lang po ang sasabihin ko. Mag-ingat ka po parati. At saka, have safe delivery po at advance congratulations na din po. Mag-iingat ka po parati. God bless.
Guten Tag, Frau Ortiz. I just want to thank sa maayos, magaling at matyagang pagtuturo sa amin. Isa sa mga nagustuhan ko po, the way you teach us, hindi ka aalis sa isang topic na hindi namin naiintindihan. Kaya sobrang marami po kaming natutunan sa inyo. Salamat. And mag-iingat po kayo lagi. God bless. And eto, nakapolo na ako. Ready na ako magninong. Baka naman. And may isang tanong na lang pala ako. Frau Ortiz, wie ist das Wetter?
Guten Tag, Frau Ortiz. So, I just wanted to take this moment to sincerely thank you for all of your efforts and commitment in teaching us. Very thankful po ako kasi ikaw po yung naging teacher ko for this course. Yung patience mo po sa amin is napakahaba to the extent na hindi ka po nagpo-proceed sa next lesson kapag hindi po namin naiintindihan yung current lesson. I am genuinely inspired by your enthusiasm for this course. You demonstrated to us the value of perseverance and diligence. Your patience to us pushed me to work hard in learning the language. So I sincerely appreciate your support and thank you for everything you did for us. Please know that we are praying for your safe delivery. Wish you well, God bless, and vielen Dank, Frau Ortiz.
Is that klar? Okay. And today we can hear you, ha? Okay, sige. We'll repeat the rule. Yeah. Okay lang yan. Kasi sa simula, hindi kayo sanay. Pero, yeah, it's okay. Pero eventually, you'll get used to it. Mahirap talaga kasi you're like kids right now. Are learning the language from zero. Pero eventually lahat naman kahit pag nasa B level na kayo, maliit na bagay na lang to kasi may mas malalaki kayong problema pagdating sa B level. Iba na yung problema nyo doon, hindi na yung mga ganito. Pang A level to na problem. So, okay lang kung mahirap talaga. So, nochmal, when do we use the EN? When do we add the EN in the article?